Welcome to the channel. Today we will look into the Docs Translate. It's AI-based software which enables you to translate your documents into the more than 85 different languages. There are over 1 million already files being translated, and according to the website, it gives their users 95% savings in translation. So let's go to the website first. Okay, so you translate document as a Word, Excel, PDF, PowerPoint, fast and accurate. Okay, so here's the list of the things which you can translate. You can translate up to 500 pages at once. That's 500 pages. It's a whole book. What you can do. I believe that you can do it as you load it in, and they all come up with a translation. I wouldn't be doing that in this video, like translated the whole book. I would just do a simple page to show you how it works. It's been, I can see that it has been the translation with OpenAI. Okay, so they're using the ChatGPT for doing the translation, but I believe they must some sort of additional twist on that. It's not a simple just ChatGPT translation. So pretty sure they worked on it and there's some additional things and don't just simply OpenAI being added. So multiple transaction with 85 popular languages. That's fine. We can read and summarize. Okay, that might be a good, nice feature to have. We can read and summarize swiftly scan and create clear, understandable mind maps. Summarize your documents and effortlessly. Save time by quickly understanding the content. That's kind of cool because sometimes the document can be complicated or it might take a while before you read it all the pages. But if you need a quick, just a quick summarization, there you go. You might use it and might be helpful here. Obviously, you find some happy customers here, and everything you need to know. So pricing, registration, how to use the key features. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the pricing then. See, I just open the pricing somewhere. Yes, the pricing is based on the credits, which you need to recharge. Basic for the basic, you have 50 credits, and you have to pay for $4.99. So you include a professional translation dictionary words from the translation. And in the personal for 120 credits, which you have to spend just about $10. You get the same, just the more credits, the extra 20% save. I think the extra 20% been added into it. Into the Pro, you also have unlocked features. Okay, so you can summarize the documents only when you start paying $50, and you get yourself 750 credits. Pro Plus, however, it's giving you 1,700 credits, and it's costing you $100, just about $100, and that's apparently 70% extra. And there are some sort of additional there's monthly subscriptions, standard package and monthly subscriptions. Okay, so yeah, I understand now. So it's a thing like you pay once off and just stop it out as a pay as you go. And then if you go that's a standard. If you want to go with a monthly subscription, there you go. There is the option for you. And $9.99 a month, you get yourself 150 credits, which is already more than from $9.99 as once off. For premium, you have to pay just about $20, and the 2,000 credits, and you have to pay just about $100. Okay, so let's to blog. Yeah, they also have a blog. Few articles, obviously for SEO purposes, they created that. It's nice to have it. You might find it useful. So I will leave it with you guys if you're interested. Just go read it through. And this is the software. Okay, so I sign in using my email, and right away I got 5 credits. Okay, so I just created just a simple short story about Guard using the Claude.ai, and I'll try to translate it now. Detect the language. It's English, and I want to translate it over to maybe Spanish, for example. Do you want to get professional? To accurate? Okay, you get a translation types. Recommended professional. Then you can accurate to the translation means closely correlates to original text. Paraphrase, rephrasing the text piece or in. Okay, so if you choose the paraphrase, basically means that you can be rephrasing what it says here. But I rather to go with, professional, the recommended. Also accurate might be a good one because when you go with accurate, the translation accuracy means and closely follows the original text. Really up to yourself what your needs are. Okay, so let's go with the professional then. Formal tone. And choose default, friendly, emotional, serious, and professional adaptation. It's very similar to what you can do with those AI tools now, where you can, AI writers, where you can choose the tone of the translation. You can choose the main. But this one is nice because you can do up to 500 pages at once, which is quite interesting. Okay, so let's see. Let's go with the friendly and let's go with the let me see, what is it? We can go, well, let's go with the default. Now let's translate. And the document contains broken characters. Okay. If you have translated document contains broken characters, please select the correct font size in your document. Okay. Okay, but it doesn't stop us from doing the translation itself, which is grand. Here you go. You got a translated document in Spanish, in professional style and friendly tone. I don't know Spanish much. I know a little bit, but not much not enough to translate to see if the translation is actually precise, but I believe it is. Because if they actually told us that they have been translated already 1 million documents, that means that they know what they're doing. So I might be, uh, I don't know. I have to say that this is something which we have to check maybe against any other tools which they are servicing similar places. But I think with they being on the market for some time now, I might say that this is a good one. That this transaction actually makes sense. Obviously, if you need something which is very specific, you need to go and check it yourself if that meets your needs. However, from my understanding, it is it's simple and easy to use. Okay. Now let's go to the credits. 3.68. So this translations of about 1,525 characters took us about a 1.32 credit. So I don't know how they actually charging us from by pay the character basis. I think so. Let me see if there is anything more that can be seen here. Without it, it's how to use it, key features, security support, integration, interactive comparisons. Is there free to learn? Well, it's not free. You have to use credit, and you have to top up the credits. Now, and also I can see that there is not a document like that you can translate. You can go and if this is a text, so which I type in, copy and paste it basically. You can go and you can upload document and you can do the translation of that document. I don't know what the image translation is, but I trust that they can actually read what it says on the document and do the translation. That's kind of AI would be today. In today's day, the AI can do those type of things. And they can also read whatever is on your audio. So they can retrieve the audio information and they can translate it to any language you wish to do so. Okay, which is nice. It is quite interesting. As for the simple text, perfect. You can go to ChatGPT and go to Google Translate there, and you can do it yourself the same way like it's been done here. Same with the document. With the image and audio, that's something specific. And I don't know if there are any other softwares like that out there doing the same thing, but I trust they might be. However, this one, they would already been established on the market, and they can provide you those two features that are quite interesting. And also, what is it here now? Summarize PowerPoint presentation support. Okay, so as there was previously mentioned, you can summarize those documents. So if you have a book or you have some sort of essay or anything like that, you can just drop it in and ask for summarization of it. Quite handy. Okay, so thanks very much for watching this video, guys, and have a good day. Good night.